This 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle is listed for $14,500 and is located in Calera, Alabama. A solid offering, it's equipped with a 350 motor and a 350 automatic transmission, making it a true V8 car straight from the factory. The seller mentions it's not perfect, but it's roadworthy and could be enjoyed while undergoing restoration. Performance. The Chevelle's V8 engine delivers a classic muscle car experience. The 350 motor, paired with a 350 transmission, provides dependable power, and the addition of power disc brakes ensures better stopping performance, a necessary feature, especially for a car of this era. Though the seller doesn't go into detail about the car's exact performance metrics, these factory specs make it a strong foundation for someone seeking to either cruise or build up to something even more impressive. As with many classics from the 1970s, rust is present in the usual areas, which is expected for a car of this age. The Chevelle runs, drives, and stops, so while it's not a show car, it's certainly functional. For a buyer looking to enjoy a classic car while slowly restoring it, this vehicle offers the right balance of fun and opportunity. This Chevelle is largely original, with its V8 factory setup and the power disc brakes enhancing both its value and drivability. There are no significant modifications mentioned, which can be a plus for those looking to work on a nearly stock platform. Conclusion. This 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle strikes a balance between being a daily driver and a restoration project. While it has its imperfections, it's ready to hit the road, offering a rewarding experience for a vintage car enthusiast. The rust and imperfections may need attention, but with a classic V8 under the hood, this Chevelle is a great candidate for someone who wants to enjoy a piece of muscle car history while working on it gradually. Just be sure to take the rust into account and plan accordingly if you're looking for a long-term restoration project.